A great business begins with a great plan. And with Egrow's free resources and help, you will be ready for success in no time. The Beginner's Ultimate Amazon FBA Checklist, linked in the description below, outlines the initial steps you should take to establish your FBA business right away. Amazon FBA can be a complex world of its own, which takes a lot of research and technical proficiency to master. Luckily, we've already done that for you. This free 12-page checklist will not only guide you through the initial steps, but it will also explain them in great detail. By minimizing your costs and knowing how to handle your money, you're already ahead of the game. And that is where our document puts you, one step ahead. We'll teach you how to find the right products, think like a business person, and select a niche, all in the first couple pages. We'll also go over all of the basics, like sorting out your state tax ID, setting up a dummy listing, and even PPC campaigns. Every resource you might need is here. Supplier platforms, easy explanations, and options for seller plans. It's everything that you need to start achieving your dreams. Download the Beginner's Ultimate Amazon FBA Checklist right now by following the link in the description and find success today.